We're going to be talking about subtraction with 3-digit numbers using left to right with expansion method. What is subtraction? Process of taking one number from another. Why? Helpful in determining how to make a balance level. Interesting fact, if you get close enough to Africanized bees, you'll start to smell bananas. Run. Here we are with the steps. Let's take a look at them. Step 1, separate the top number. Step 2, subtract from the left place value and keep going. Step 3, add the leftover. So there are 3 examples. Let's go over each one. Some of you may have already solved the first one, which is great. This method is obvious. Each method is valid in its own right. So it depends on the type of example. But let's continue. So we need to separate into 725. So we do 700 minus the first place value on the left, which is 1, but it's really 100. So then we do that, which is 600. And we subtract 10 because that is the next place value. And that is 590. Now we subtract, what do you think? 4, correct. So then it's 586. Now we add the 25. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 plus 2 is 11 again. We carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Let's take a look at move it over. And then 611 is your answer. Let's take a look at example 2. 544 minus 326. So we're going to separate the top number, and then we're going to subtract 500 minus the first place value on the left, which is 300, and that gives me 200. And now we do minus 20, which is 180. Now we subtract the 6, which gives me 174. Now we add the 44 back, which gives me 4 plus 4 gives me 8. Carry nothing, so 0 plus 7 plus 4 gives me 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 gives me 2, which gives me 218 as your answer. And there we go. Let's take a look at the last example. 784 minus 293. Separate the top number. We subtract 200 because that's the first place value on the left, which gives me 500. Now we subtract 90, which gives me 410. Now we subtract 3, which gives me 407. Now we add the 84. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. So we carry nothing. So 0 plus 4 is 4. Move it over. And my final answer is 491. Now let's take a look on why it doesn't work. Okay, we're doing a small example. So right here, we have 11 minus 4. Hopefully you know. So right now we have 11 blue circles and 4 green circles. So let's go ahead and separate them. So we have we just kept 1 to the right, okay, and 10 and 4. Let's say they're cookies, okay? And so right now we put 1 cookie aside, and we take away 4 cookies from the top and 4 cookies from the bottom. So that means instead of having 10, now we have 6, and we still have that other cookie on the side. So therefore, and we can combine them, and we get 7. So all we're doing is just rearranging the numbers and using expansion to be able to do this process. Now, here are 3 examples to do. You can use whatever method you want. It doesn't matter, as whatever you feel most comfortable with. I'm going to give you a chance to pause the video, and so that I will show you the answers. So in 3, 2, and 1, here are the answers. If you got them correct, well done. If not, there is always tomorrow.